Okay, it's time. Been working. I'm gonna pull it out of the garage for the first time under its own power, and hopefully we'll get some better videos tonight or tomorrow of actually driving it. But I just want to move it a little, see how it does, see how it stops, because we just bled the brakes and all that. So I'm gonna put the camera down, I'm gonna go start it up and see what happens. All right, so I know that wasn't much, but it's the first time in 65 years, so I'm pretty stoked about that. So I'm gonna get it cleaned up tomorrow, you know, as best as it can be, and work on just a little punch list to hopefully make the car show on Saturday. It is bright out here, but today is the first wash in, I guess, 65 years. It's the last time it was registered and licensed, so that's why we assume that it has been that long, which seems pretty accurate. So we're gonna give it a wash. It'll look a little better than it does right now. Obviously gonna be very careful. I'm covering the engine, no windows, so that's a little challenging. So just do light rinses and stuff like that, but we're gonna get this thing cleaned up and ready to do a few other punch list stuff before the car show on Saturday. So here's hoping I don't ruin anything. All right, she is clean. It's better than it was, and I think, let me show you. The one thing I am excited about is I've got this Poppy's Patina Clear that I'm gonna give a whirl. I'm actually gonna get pretty good pop of black out of that, so I'm excited that it's going to actually look better when it's cleared. Obviously, I have to wash it again and do a more thorough job and degrease it and all of that, but for the show, this is better than it was, so that'll work. I'm gonna work on flushing the radiator again because this thing is just real bad. And I'll post a picture that I took yesterday of like the 4th drain that I've done. It's just full of rust, so I'm gonna flush it with the hose and then run some actual cleaner through the engine. Flush it again, and I'll flush it again, and I'll probably flush it 4 or 5 more times, but it is what it is. So part of the process, but looks a little better. Got the license plate mounted last night. If you don't know about Vermont titling and Vermont registration on classics, you should YouTube that because it'll save you a whole lot of time depending on your state. So this car is technically a Vermont car in Texas. See you later.